What if I told you that the secret to a natural, radiant, glowy skin is hiding right in your kitchen? Would you believe me? Well, in this video, we will discover the magic of citrus fruits and how we can use it as part of our skincare routine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, so let's dive into the tutorial. In no particular order, the first ingredient I will be using is orange, and we will need the orange peels. To prep the peels, I will wash it with water and salt to get rid of any dust or dirt. This is an organic orange, but if you're using the normal one, please make sure that you soak the peels in water and bicarbonate of soda for about 5 to 10 minutes to get rid of any toxins and any harmful chemicals. Orange peels has so many benefits to the skin. It controls the skin from aging, it fights against breakouts, it helps in skin lightening or it brightens up the skin, it tightens the pores, moisturizes the skin, heals acne, and so many more. The next ingredient is lemon. I have already washed the lemon and I'm going to peel the peels. Lemon has also got a lot of properties which includes reducing acne breakouts, it fights pigmentation, reduces signs of aging, rejuvenates the skin, and so much more. And we have lime. Lime has similar properties of vitamins as lemon, so I wouldn't be going through it again. But it is also very effective and reduces acne breakouts. It brightens up the skin as well. Now we have our peels together, so I will transfer it into a bowl. And then soak it with hot water. I don't usually or tend to boil my peels because this is vitamin C we are talking about. Vitamin C is a water-soluble and temperature-sensitive vitamin, so it is easily degraded by cooking or high heat or elevated heat. So in order to preserve the vitamins, I choose not to cook it or boil it. I will be soaking it in hot water instead and leave it overnight. Once you see that the color of the water has changed, you know it's ready. So we will be straining it. But we're not going to throw the peels away. We can use it for something else. You need to watch the next video because I will be using the peels to do something magical. You don't want to miss it. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you haven't activated the notification button, please do so you'll be notified when I upload any video. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much, and to my old subscribers as well, I do appreciate you. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Now I will be adding castor oil. Research shows that when castor oil is applied to the skin, it prevents infection, it reduces inflammation, improves localized blood flow, and shed damaged skin cells. And the next ingredient is rose water. One of the key benefits of rose water is that it is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Guys, this toner works. I can assure you that. It is packed with so many vitamins and anti-aging properties. And if you need to buy any of the products used in this video, please feel free to check in the description down below. I have some links there for you. And there is also a link to my Amazon storefront. Feel free to browse through all the products that I have in my store. I will recommend that you spray it onto your skin, face and body every single morning and evening. You can do it once or twice a day. But if you want to notice improvements to your skin, you would need to use it regularly. You can either spray it into your face or you spray it into a cotton pad and then dab it into your face. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Always remember that true beauty is found in the simplicity of nature. You have the power to nourish your skin and care for your body with the purest ingredients from your own kitchen. So let's cherish the beauty of simplicity together. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Love you and take care of yourselves. Have a great week. Thank you. Take care. Bye.